Well, driving a fucking dump truck, boys and girls. Thought this would be kind of interesting and extra dangerous to record and drive. So, yeah, it's about 2 o'clock, April 13th, and we're driving a fucking dump truck here. Woo-hoo! Yeah, these things don't drive too awful bad. Heavy, though. Like a big old Cadillac or something. Wonder how many people jump out of my fucking way in this thing. Thing don't stop on the dawn, that's for sure. Drives good. Honestly, I would drive around in this fucking thing. Well, that's what I'm doing anyway. Go truck! As you can see in the mirror, I got a hell of a dumb body on this fucking thing. That chick's deep for sale. Oh, I need an armrest. Thing ain't got no armrest. Fucking dump truck ain't got no armrest. The fuck's up with that? Listen to the tool in the dump truck guy. What are you doing? That's what I do. Listen to the tool, you drive around the dump truck, and that's what I do, guy. I run people up the road to my dump truck. Stand at red light. This thing's fucking huge. Oh, power. 6-liter fucking GMC. Wow. This thing is ballsy. Look at that V8 power. V8 power and tool, man, nothing better. This is what I do for a living. I took my camera to work today. I drive a dump truck. There's a Snap-on guy I buy tools from him. Yeah. Take you my whole ride to town fair. Maybe even do a video of driving the other dump truck back.
WBRQ, the naked and famous Youngblood.
Damn, my arm's getting tired.
Taxi!
The song blows. There we go. Some offspring in the dump truck now.
I'm a son of a bitch in a dump truck with an F-16.
Oh, this thing's beat. Love it. This video's gonna take forever to put up. Black dudes in the Volkswagen.
Got Metallica up next. It's the car. 94HJY.
This is the cars in the dump truck. It's like an oxymoron out there. This orange truck about to creep by is kind of like what we're in right now in case I don't get a video. That's what we're driving basically, but bigger.
Cause when you're standing oh so near, kind of lose my mind. Stop the looking at you well. Stop the living in your
I gotta turn this radio off so you can hear the extreme power. Yeah, dump truck. That's enough of the V8 power. I'm tired of using it. Stuck in traffic in the dump truck. People sure get out of your fucking way at this thing. Come on, green. Green light. Go. Come on. Come on. I'll push you. There you are. Fucking Land Rover dealership over there. Blah, blah, blah. Almost to town fair. Almost to the town fair. We've just about made it. And that's where we gotta be, over there. See the dump truck, buddy? Yeah? No one fucking yields to a goddamn dump truck, man. Piss me off. They don't understand the consequences if I just want to be a dick and dart at those traffic. This fat cunt. Fucking junk ass Talon. Oh, it's a real Eclipse? Holy fuck. That bitch. Go get a T-Mobile and pay your fucking phone bill. I just want to park my fucking dump truck here. Boom! Oh, there's a black one we're picking up. Here's some guys. Some chick, I don't know what it is. That's the truck we're picking up. Time to back this dump truck into a hole. Dump trucks. Alright, it's been fun.